Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper, and this question is related to electronics. For the N-channel transistor shown, the threshold voltage VTH is 0.8 volts. Neglect channel length modulation effects. When the drain voltage VD is 0.6 volts, the drain current was found to be 0.5 milliamperes. If VD is adjusted to 2 volts by changing the values of R and VDD, the new value of IDV is so N-channel transistor it was given, and gate and so drain, if you are observing, the gate terminal and drain terminal are going to be shorted. So gate and drain are shorted, that implies nothing but always it will be in saturation region. And we know the drain current in equation in saturation region is nothing but beta times of VGS minus VT whole square. That implies nothing but in saturation ID is only proportional to VGS minus VT whole square. VGS minus VT whole square. So here it is VGS minus VT whole square. So by that time we can write it as, let us assume the first case. So whenever VD1 is equal to 1.6 volts, VD is at 1.6 volts. By that time drain and gate are going to be shorted. You can think it as VG1. So VD1 is equal to VG1. By that time the drain current observed is ID1, which is 0.5 milliamperes. Second case is nothing but whenever VD drain voltage is adjusted to 2 volts. By that time drain and gate are going to be shorted, that will be treated as VG2. And by that time what will be the new value of drain current, that is ID2. Okay, and source is at 0. So from this equation ID is proportional to VGS minus VT. You can write it as ID2 divided by ID1, which is equal to proportionality constant get cancels, so that you can write it as VGS2 minus 1 minus VT whole square divided by VGS1 minus VT whole square. VGS2 is nothing but VG2 minus VS minus VT whole square, and VGS1 is nothing but VG1 minus VS minus VT whole square. But VS, voltage across source, VS is going to be connected to 0. So VS value is 0. You can neglect this one because it is 0. This is also 0. VS is 0. So by that time ID2 by ID1 can be written as ID1 is 0.5 milliamperes, that is equal to VG2 is 2 minus VT is 0.8 whole square divided by VG1 is 1.6 minus 0.8 whole square. So that is 1.2 whole square, that is 1.2 into 1.2 divided by 0.8. So this will be equal to, okay, so this is equal to how much you are going to get, 1.125 you will get. The answer for this question is nothing but 1.125. okay, so entire answer, and this ID2 you are going to be getting it as ID2 is equal to 1.125 milliamperes you will get after simplification. So the right answer for this one is C. C is the right answer, 1.125 milliamperes. Thank you.